Now, let's talk about another approach, what we call technological catch-up. Usually when clients adopt ZAPTEST, the very first thing what they do, they start automation of the already existing application, even if they're in a agile mode, right? Usually the way it's worked, subject matter expert needs to communicate test automation requirements, right? Usually done as form of documentation, passing over to test automation team trying to understand the test case scenario, keep asking questions, it's all prolonged the time. Again, in order to expedite the effort, what we offer, it's a video scenario recording. It's different than it's usually taken in the test automation industry. It's not a recorded playback as usually tool provide. It's a simple approach to recording video with narration, like if you would have created video recording your desktop. So subject matter expert simply creates video of manual steps. They can also leave the narration for us to emphasize a particular point. So that video picked up by test automation team, without taking or asking any further question, they can simply understand based on the video what needs to be automated. In the case when application is not available live for various reasons, automation team using ZAPTEST can completely generate object repository from the video, construct entire automation script and documentation without touching live application whatsoever. When application is available, they can execute it as is, single execution cross-platform. Here we go, very quick. So far so good?